Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can perform the hard reset of your Google Nest Mini speaker. So first of all, when your speaker is connected, you have to mute your microphone by using this button. It's located next to this power supply plug. We have to pull it to the right side.
The mic's off.
This indicators will turn red, and also you will hear the notification that the microphone is mute. And the next step that we have to make is very simple. We just have to click and hold right here and hold it until we'll get the notification voice request that we are going to perform the hard reset. So let's make it right now. Click and hold right here.
You're about to completely reset this device. Release to cancel.
We have to keep holding to do not cancel this process. And when you hear this notification sound, you can release this panel. And now just wait until this LED icons changed. They will move. They will be removed after a few moments. And after a few seconds, our device will restart and will be turned on to the setup mode.
Hi. To get started, download the Google Home app on a phone or tablet. The mic's off.
Okay, so as you can see and as you can hear, right now we successfully performed the hard reset of the Google Nest Mini speaker, and that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.